Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen how to host a static website, and in this video, we'll be seeing into S3 versioning. So since I've not created any bucket as of now, so I'll be showing you how to create a bucket and add these static pages. So I'll be showing you in a fast manner because I've already shown you in the previous video. So initially to redirect to this particular page, you have to go to storage and click S3. So this is how I have reached this particular console. So once you have reached this console, create a bucket. So let me add a bucket. So it's MRT bucket. I've already explained all of these in the previous video. So let me create this as of now. So we have created the bucket. Let's go into the bucket and let's go to the permissions. So right now the bucket is private. So like we have to make it public. So in this case, we'll edit this, remove this, and save, confirm. And go back, and here we have to add the policy. So let me add that policy. So instead of bucket name, I'll be adding my bucket name here. So MRT bucket, save, done. And here I'll be adding the static as well, static hosting website, enable. So initial file will be index.html, the other one will be error.html, done. So go back. So this is what we have done in the previous video. So we have also added the files. So let me upload it, and let me add these two files here. So error.html and index.html. So the code is nothing but, let me show you that one as well. So this is the code. So index, we have index. So whenever you redirect to that index page, you will just see an index there. So that is what it is. So in this case, let's upload it. So it says uploaded successfully. Properties, go down, copy this link. Let's see if we can access. Yes, we were able to access this. So now let's talk about the versioning. So coming to S3 versioning, it allows you to store multiple versions of an object within a single bucket, enabling you to recover mistakenly deleted or overwritten objects. So that is what the definition of S3 versioning is. So if I go here, so there is a section called bucket versioning. You see, bucket versioning means of keeping multiple variants of an object in the same bucket. So you can use the versioning to preserve, retrieve, and restore every version of every object stored in Amazon S3 bucket. With versioning, you can easily recover from both unintended user actions and application failures. So that is what the definition of it is. So as you can see, it is right now disabled. So we have to enable this one right now. So let's enable this, save changes, and go back here. So right now, see, you can see these columns show versions. So we have like now we don't have any versions. So let me remove that one. Let me refresh this. So now let's do some changes to our page. So right now it's index, right? Let's add index 1. So this is the next page, okay? So let's save this, and index.html. So I'm just replacing that one. And now I'll be uploading. Okay, so let's upload the file. So let me upload that. There you go. So we have uploaded it. Let's upload it. So you can see right now we have index. So right now we have updated the version. So we have just done few changes, and we have uploaded the other file, which is index.html, right? So let's refresh this one. You can see it has been updated. Right now it's index 1, so which is the latest version that we have updated. So does this mean that the previous version has been deleted? No, not yet. So you can see the option here. So when you click here, you can see the option. So this is the previous version and this is the present version. So right now we are seeing the present version. Okay. So that is how the versioning concept works. So you can add any number of pages you want. So it will be like creating different versions for that. And let's say you want to delete this. So I am just deleting this page. So I'm removing the versions, and let's say unknowingly I have deleted this. So where is delete, delete, and delete. So right now we have deleted that index page, and if you refresh it, it will be redirecting to the next one, which is index. So why it is happening? So if I go back here, so right now we don't have the page, right? What do you think? So right now it's not showing, but we do have the versions to that index page. So if you click show versions, you see this is the one that we have deleted. So whenever you click delete, it is not deleted permanently. So instead of that, there will be a marker called delete marker. So this is what it is. So if you delete this, only then it will be deleted. So if I click delete here, you see permanently delete. Only then it will be deleted. So that is how you can delete these objects, right? So, and one more thing, if you show versions, okay, let's delete this one. Delete, save. So right now we have deleted that version. So you see right now we have deleted, so we don't have that particular version. So this is how you can delete it. So whenever you delete it, it will not delete directly, but instead of that, there will be a delete marker to that particular object. So that is how it works. And that is how the concept of this versioning goes on. So I've also talked about S3 versioning in my Instagram channel as well. So let me just show you that. So this is the one that I have created. So you can see the related to S3 versioning, like how it works and so on. So you can visit my Instagram channel as well. So I'll be keeping that in the description for you to watch. And I have also added like various other concepts as well. So yeah, just wanted to tell you this one as well. So let me minimize this. So coming to this concept, this is how it works. And if you've understood the concept of today's video, please do like the button and please do subscribe and please do share. Thanks everyone.